So hi everyone, I'm John De Carl Casinillo, and today we're going to answer the activity 2 titled Speed Control of Motor DZ. So first, the our first procedure is to install a or put a data acquisition, a power supply, and DC motor, of course the prime of course the prime mover. Okay, let's check this one. So prime mover. Uh, the Let's go for the procedure one. The I made some couple prime mover uh, to DC motor with the use of belt and the sets of the connection as shown in the figure 1. So I will flash the figure 1 here. Yeah, then so I follow that figure 1. Then of course once we follow that, our next is to turn on the main power supply and adjust the voltage control knob by not exceeding to the nameplate rating of the motor. So I choose 45. Let's choose 45. Okay, 45. Let's put some 45 here. Then turn on the. So as we can see, guys. So this is our volt, which is our voltage knob is equal to 45%. Our voltage 1 is 63.91 volts, and our RPM is a 98 RPM. Okay, so let's go to the second data, so we can go like. So we need to adjust the field resistance knob and measure the following. So we need to adjust the rheostat knob for up to 5%. So let's turn this off first. Let's just turn it on and then take the rheostat knob here. Let's according to the data, I will flash here. We need to do some 5% of the rheostat and get the voltage and of course the RPM. We need to do the 5. Okay, 5. We need to enter and turn on this. This is the here. This is 5% of the rheostat. Now we have our voltage is 63.88, and of course our RPM here is 9.86. I mean 986 RPM. Next, we need to adjust it into 10%. Adjust the rheostat knob into 10%. Then what will happen? It increases the RPM. How about the voltage? The voltage remains the same. We have our 10% of rheostat and our voltage is 63.83 and our RPM is 1039. So let's try to make it 20. Erase this 20. Then start. The RPM increases while the voltage stays remain. Okay. Next we have 30% of this data. 30% of this data. And then we examine this. Again, it's still the voltage is still consistent with 63.83 volts, and the RPM increases into a 1249 RPM. So let's go to the 50 field rheostat knob. Let's go to 50. What are we observe? Again for the 50. So the voltage stayed the same while this speed also increases. Let's go to the 70, the last one. 70. We have the voltage stayed the same and RPM is 1641. Now I will show you the data here, and of course I will plot the data for the field rheostat versus speed and voltage versus speed. So here, let's take a look. Okay, so that's all for the activity 1. Now, so see you in activity 3. Thank you.